Hey guys, so I did a purchase on some couple of items I'm gonna be using on my skin. The first item I got all off AliExpress is this collagen mask right here. I actually love this mask because once you put it on your skin and you take it off, the softness, the glow in the morning, because I use it at night, like the glow in the morning, the softness on your skin, it pampers your skin. Like, it's, I don't know how to define this mask, but I wish you would try it. Look at it. I just got one off the pack. Look at it right here. It's the collagen Sador collagen firming series. So this is it. This is the mask. Very good. Very good mask. I think you should try it. It comes in 10, and I just got it from the delivery company. So this is how it looks like. It is a really good mask. Trust me, it is. You're gonna love it. You're gonna love the experience with this mask. The next thing I purchased was this Joy Pretty T3 Acne Removal Clay Mask. I heard a lot of good reviews about this mask. I haven't okay, so I used it yesterday, but I can't say nothing about it just yet until I use it for at least 2 weeks. So on days I'm not using this sheet mask, I'm gonna use this. I use this for 3 times a week. On days I'm not using it, I'm gonna use the clay mask. I saw a lot of reviews about this mask. It's good, it's this, it's that, it's that, it's that. I decided to get it to try it. So I'm gonna try it. I'm gonna keep trying it. After a while, after 1 week, I'll come give my review. After another week, so I'll give a weekly review on this mask. But this I have used for a long time. I've used it since December 2024. It is good, very good, 100%, a 10 out of 10. And this I'm going to be using. Then I got another product from the same company, the same brand. It is the Joy Pretty as well. Pore Shrinking Invisibility Cream. Invisibility cream right here. So I got it for, most of these things are under $10. The only one that is above $10 is this one, but the other two, this is under 10. And it has snail mucin in it. It also has 8D hyaluronic acid. Yeah, I saw very good reviews about this as well. Most people that use this, most people who used it said it shrinks pores, it does this, it does that. It's super good. Well, I just started using it. I use it in the morning when I'm doing my morning routine. I use it. I use it after my serum. I put it on my skin before my moisturizer. I use it because it's somewhere between a serum and a moisturizer. I don't want to call it an essence, but it's somewhere between the consistency is somewhere between a serum and a moisturizer. It is good. I don't know, but my first experience, it hasn't done anything bad to my skin. It didn't break me out. I did not patch test. I just straight put it on my skin. It did not break me out. So I'm gonna use it some more. Then I'll come back to you guys with my honest review weekly. I'm gonna do a weekly review of this and this clay mask and invisibility cream. Then this I've used, so I can tell you for free this is good. So try it out and let me know. Please follow, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so whenever I post you get to see it. And also tell me in the comments what the videos you would like me to do as regards skin, body well-being, and of course anything that relates to the body, and I'll be doing it. All right, thank you guys. I'll see you guys. Bye.